Welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, you're welcome. City of elections. And in this video, we're talking about MATLAB, like basic operations in MATLAB. Let me open this again. So, of course, I'm using my system for it, and then you can use your mobile phone, just like in a previous video. You can use your mobile phone for it, and also if you have the offline version on your laptop or desktop computer, that's fine, but I do not have it. Okay, so I'm using the online version. So if you want to use the online version, of course, just type in MATLAB mathworks.com and then enter. So if you've not signed in, as you don't have an account with them, okay, I have an account with them. If you don't have an account with them, you just have to click the sign up button and then follow the process, fill in your details, Gmail, and it's like just like usual sign up process. Okay, so just follow that and then you get signed in. Sometimes it takes a while to really load up, so but of course this is the site. Okay, that's the site, and then I want to show you something before this page. But okay, so of course MATLAB is a programming language, okay, that has a lot of features, and one thing that really stands out, okay, from my own point of view, from other programming language, it's graph and this Simulink stuff. But the graph, like, you can easily get to have a graph from your script or from your function. So that visual representation of your calculation or answer, it's beautiful to have MATLAB. And the name MATLAB is short for Matrix Laboratory. So it's taking a while to load. Well, when the loading process completes, we'll get to this page. Okay, this is the online basic. So the MATLAB, this is the MATLAB environment, and we have this part as a command window, this part as a workspace, and here are our MATLAB files. Yeah, MATLAB files, and of course some useful buttons we have here to create new scripts, open, save, and so on. Then this is where we run our scripts or functions, MATLAB files. So but today we just deal with the command window, okay, as a form of simple introduction. This command window, you can use it just like let's calculator, that kind of thing. So to perform basic operations in this command window. Now there's something I want you to observe while working with the command window. Observe what goes on in the workspace. So let's say you have a variable a, of course variable unknown a, and then you assign a value to it. Okay, this equal to just mean you want to assign something to it, assign a value to it. So let's say you assign 3 to it. Now, two things. You can press the enter button now. If you do that, the value for a will be saved in your workspace and you have to see it there, and the value for a will be given in the command window. Let's just close this part so that, okay, good. So watch. Now you have a saved in your workspace and you have a given in the command window. But if we put a semicolon after this statement here, we are not going to have the value given in the command window. That is, let's say b now. B equals 7, and then we'll put a semicolon, enter. Now we are given the option to do something next, do something with the command window, but that value b, that 7, is not given, just like as we have with a. However, b, the value for b, is saved in the command window. Okay, so if we take anything, and let's say x equals 7 times b 7 times b plus a. 7 times b plus a. Now this, let's put the semicolon. So this calculation now will give us the value for x, but because of the semicolon, the value for x will not be given out. So let's press the enter button, and then we have this. You see, nothing else is given. We are given the option to enter another command in the command window, but the value for x is saved right here. So the asterisk is, let me quickly say this. The asterisk is how we write multiplication in MATLAB. Okay, so now to keep this series interesting, we are going to move really fast with example, like levels of example. From this, working with command space, we are going to go next to maybe a higher example, more complex example. And as we do that, the basics you need to know to understand those examples will explain the basic in the process, instead of just spending time in the basic. Just the basics are good. It's good to know the basics, okay? But this video is a part of the series class recap, and there are a lot of videos out there in YouTube where you can get how to work with MATLAB. There are a lot of videos here. This particular video is part of the series class recap. Okay, so yeah, I'm working with my book here. All right, so now if we ask the value of x without the semicolon and just press enter, we are going to get it in the command window. Now then there are two things I want to show us before we end this video, which is clear and CLC. So if we do clear, this will remove everything from our workspace, meaning there will be no value for a again, there will be no value for b, there will be no value for x. Clear. Press the enter button. Yeah, so there is no more value for a, b, or x. So if I say y equals a times 2, we're going to get a result here. Yeah. Unrecognized function or variable a, because we've cleared the workspace. Okay, we cleared the memory loss. So unless we have a value for a, but we do not have a value for a, so unrecognized variable, no answer was given. Then if we want to clear the command window, because when we clear the screen, yes, there are these things, their values are cleared off, but they are still in the command window. So to clean or clear the command window, CLC, clear command, something like that. I think that's the meaning. So CLC, and then voila, everything goes off. Okay, then yeah, so that's just the basic arithmetic. And the arithmetic signs, we've seen addition, of course. Addition is addition, subtraction is subtraction, and then multiplication, we've seen it, and then we have this as the division sign. Okay, so you can try that out in your own mobile phone or system, whichever one. Try them out and then see how the clear screen works, clear works, and then CLC. Okay, so for this video we'll stop here for now, and the next video we'll go over to the script, to open the script, and then of course we can still come back to command window and tweak some things just like that. So this is just like a basic introduction. So you see how these things are displayed in the workspace and how it works with command window, and then next video talk about creating a script and working with scripts and functions, and then subsequent videos go over to graph and things like that. So I hope this was helpful in terms of getting familiar with MATLAB Workspace, and leave comment in the comment section and subscribe. Also click the like button, and then share the videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.